Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best laptops under $500. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the laptops in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best laptops under $500 on the market right now. Coming in number 6, we've got the Acer Chromebook 315 Chrome OS laptop. Specs: CPU, Intel Celeron N4000 processor, dual-core. Display: 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen. Memory: 4GB of RAM, 32GB of eMMC storage. Connectivity: 2 USB-C ports, 2 full USB ports, microSD card reader. Battery life: 12.5 hours. The Acer Chromebook 315 is an excellent big screen option for frugal upgraders. It has a pleasantly understated design, a sharp touchscreen, a surprisingly lightweight build, it weighs less than 4 pounds, and a long battery life, all at a cheap price tag. That said, the notebook lacks sufficient onboard storage, a backlit keyboard, and Wi-Fi 6, so you might need to upgrade to another one sooner than you'd expect. With a 15.6-inch display panel, the Acer Chromebook 315 is a great option for streaming content. Its entry-level Intel chip and 4GB combined to deliver a solid Chrome OS experience, as long as you're not a heavy multitasker. Another perk is that the wired connectivity features are abundant and versatile. Depending on how you use it, the Chromebook 315 laptop can last up to 12.5 hours between charges, and it has a versatile USB-C connector for replenishing its battery. Coming in at number 5, Lenovo Ideapad 1 PC laptop. Specs: CPU, Intel Celeron N4020 processor, dual-core. Display: 14-inch HD screen. Memory: 4GB of RAM, 64GB of eMMC storage. Connectivity: 2 full USB ports, HDMI, microSD card reader. Battery life: 8 hours. The Lenovo Ideapad 1 is the best PC laptop for buyers who are on a really tight budget. Sporting a price tag that's just a tad above $250, the notebook has a characterful design with an ice blue finish, a big screen, a robust set of connectivity features, and stereo speakers with Dolby audio compatibility. We only wish it had a sharper display panel than basic HD and more modern Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. With an entry-level Intel processor on board, the notebook is best suited for web browsing, streaming, video, and editing office documents. With up to 8 hours of battery life, this cheap laptop is adequate for users on the go, as long as you don't expect it to last through a busy workday between charges. Out of the box, the Ideapad 1 runs Microsoft Windows 10 in S mode, but as you might have already learned by now, you can always upgrade to full Windows 10 for free. Coming in number 4, Microsoft Surface Go 2 PC tablet. Specs: CPU, Intel Pentium Gold 4425Y processor, dual-core. Display: 10.5-inch PixelSense touchscreen with 1920 by 1280 pixels. Memory: 4GB of RAM, 64GB eMMC storage. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6, USB-C, Surface Connect port, microSD card slot. Battery life: 10 hours. The compact Microsoft Surface Go 2 is hands down the best 2-in-1 PC for thrifty shoppers, meaning it's a laptop and a tablet in one. A $500 budget will get you an entry-level Go 2 with 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM, which is ideal for most users. It also comes with a Surface-type cover, which is a must for a stellar PC experience. The optional Surface Pen is also worth investing in. Even though it isn't exactly a powerhouse, the Intel Pentium Gold processor of the Microsoft Surface Go 2 is plenty capable for casual tasks, like web browsing and streaming content, as well as for light productivity work. You can expect up to 10 hours of screen time from the device between charges, which is a great feature for the cheap price point. Like all Surface products, the Go 2 is elegant and exceptionally crafted. Its front and rear-facing cameras are capable of streaming crisp, full HD video, also helping to make it the best option for teleconferencing on this list. Number 3. Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5 Chrome OS Laptop. Specs: CPU 10th generation Intel Core i3 dual-core. Display: 13-inch Full HD touchscreen. Memory: 4GB of RAM, 64GB eMMC. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6, 2 USB-C ports, USB-A port. Battery life: 10 hours. Lenovo's Chromebook Flex 5 is our favorite Chrome OS laptop for less than $500. It has a sleek design, a sharp 360-degree touchscreen, a backlit keyboard, plenty of power for a fast and fluid user experience, and access to Android apps via the Google Play Store. Weighing less than 3 pounds, the 13-inch Chromebook is also impressively portable. The best part? The product's versatile display hinge allows it to instantly transform from a traditional laptop to a big screen tablet. An optional Lenovo digital pen makes the Flex 5 a surprisingly capable tool for conquering productivity tasks as well as creative projects. Thanks to its dual-core Intel processor, it's a cheap laptop that's built to last and deliver a reliable performance for years. Its onboard wired and wireless connectivity features are just as dependable, making it as future-proof as possible. Coming at number 2, Asus VivoBook 15 PC Laptop. Specs: CPU 10th generation Intel Core i3 dual-core. Display: 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Memory: 4GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. Connectivity: USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI, micro SD card reader. Battery life: 6 hours. The Asus VivoBook 15 PC laptop is a solid alternative to our top pick with a sleeker design, more RAM, and an onboard micro SD card reader. However, unlike its similarly priced rivals, the notebook lacks up-to-date Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, today's most reliable wireless connectivity standards. The insanely thin display bezels make the Asus VivoBook 15 laptop look impossibly compact and elegant for its cheap price. I also like the device's ergonomic keyboard with adjustable height. It also has an impressive fast charging capability, getting a battery from empty to 60% in less than an hour. It's worth noting that the VivoBook 15 ships with Windows 10 in S mode as well, but of course you can upgrade to a full Windows 10 version for free. Number 1. Acer Aspire 5 PC Laptop. Specs: CPU 10th generation Intel Core i3 dual-core. Display: 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. Memory: 4GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6, USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI, Ethernet port. Battery life: 8 hours. Priced around $400, the Acer Aspire 5 is a stellar laptop with thin display bezels, an aluminum top cover, a backlit keyboard, and a fingerprint scanner. What makes it stand apart from the rest is that its impressive design and features are not typical for its price range. It's also impressively compact and lightweight for a 15.6-inch notebook. Thankfully, there are more than just good looks to this cheap laptop. The notebook performs well for a sub-$500 product, thanks to a capable Intel processor and a speedy solid-state drive. Its onboard Wi-Fi 6 connectivity is fast and future-proof too. And if you're willing to go a bit over your $500 budget, I suggest this Aspire 5 iteration with a beefier processor and more memory. The Aspire 5 ships with Windows 10 in S mode, but you can upgrade to a full Windows 10 version for free. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best laptops under $500. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.